Welcome back to YD Auto, the channel where we dive deep into the world of unique vehicles that redefine the way we travel and experience life on the road. Today, we're exploring a truly fascinating creation, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. This is not just a van, not just a limousine, and certainly not just a camper. It's the fusion of all three worlds into a luxury travel machine. For the next hour or so, we'll take you through every aspect of this vehicle. From its bold exterior design and luxurious interior to the engine and performance, the cutting-edge technology, the safety innovations, financial considerations, options and add-ons, and of course, whether this camper is truly worth your hard-earned investment. From the outside, you're greeted with a striking two-tone paint job, sleek chrome detailing, and subtle LED accent lighting that runs along the edges of the roofline. The proportions are longer and more commanding than the standard Savana, giving it that unmistakable limousine presence, but it doesn't look awkwardly stretched. Instead, the lines flow naturally, enhanced by aerodynamic tweaks to reduce drag. Step inside, and the transformation is even more dramatic. The interior of the GMC Savana Limo Camper is all about luxury and comfort, blended seamlessly with functionality. Plush leather seating lines both sides of the cabin, offering a lounge-style arrangement that can seat up to 8 in limo configuration or convert into a full camper layout with sleeping arrangements for 4. Ambient lighting strips run across the ceiling panels and floor edges, allowing you to set the mood from vibrant and modern to warm and cozy. High-quality wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable upholstery options ensure that every cabin feels personal and premium. The ceiling height has been raised compared to older Savana models, giving passengers the ability to stand and move more freely. In the camper configuration, the rear section transforms into a compact but fully functional living area, complete with a kitchenette, fold-out bed, entertainment system, and even a small wet bath. Whether you're using it for corporate transport, long road trips, or off-the-grid adventures, the interior feels more like a mobile penthouse than a simple van. When it comes to the engine and performance, GMC hasn't cut corners. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper is powered by a robust 6.6L V8 gasoline engine as standard, delivering around 400 horsepower with an optional Duramax diesel variant that offers even greater torque for hauling heavy loads or towing a trailer.